Xiomere from Pi classes. So today we are going to talk about second part of SQL function. So in this video we will learn what is scalar function and we will see the syntax of scalar function and also see a example of it. So first we will talk about what is scalar function. So the scalar function in SQL are used to return a single value from given input. So now that I have told you what is scalar function, so let's see most commonly used scalar function in SQL. So the most commonly used scalar functions are lcase, ucase, length, mid, round, now and format. So let's see what are the description of it. So lcase function is used to convert column values to lowercase. Ucase function is used to convert a string column values to uppercase. And length function returns the length of text values in the column. Mid function extracts substrings in SQL from column values, and round function rounds off a numeric value to a nearest integer, and now function is used to return the current system date and time, and format function is used to format how a field must be displayed. Now that you have got an idea of commonly used scalar functions, so let's understand the basic syntaxes of those scalar functions. The basic syntax of scalar function is shown on the screen. So just pause the video and take a look. Now that you have got an idea about syntaxes of all scalar function, so let's understand an example. So consider a students table having the following records which are shown on the screen. Now that you have seen the student table above, so let's understand the queries for all functions regarding this table. So syntaxes of all scalar functions for students table is shown on the screen. So just pause the video and take a look. Now let's do some practical. Here we will see that how to use scalar functions in a table. As you can see that I have my SQL workbench opened up and I have connected to the server right by typing in my password. Now in the text editor we will type our queries. So we have already a table named customers which I have used before in our previous lectures. So we will perform our task directly in the same table again. So this is the customers table, and if I want to retrieve the names of all customers in uppercase from customers table, so here I will use ucase function. So I will write the query regarding this, but first I have to write a query to use database testdb to perform any task on the table. So I will type use testdb and semicolon, then just press Ctrl plus enter. So as you can see on the action output that our query is successfully executed. Now we can perform our next query. So we will type select ucase, then column name which is name, then from, then table name which is customers, then semicolon, then simply run it by pressing key combination of Ctrl plus enter. So as you can see on the action output that our query is successfully executed. and you can see the table that our name column is converted into the uppercase. Now, if I want to extract substrings from name column starting from second position and length will be 2. So I will use mid function here to extract substrings from name column. So I will write query for this. So query will be select mid function, then column name, which is name, then comma, then starting from 2 and the length will be 2, then from, then table name will be customer, and then put the semicolon at the end. And now we will run it by simply pressing key combination of Ctrl plus enter. So as you can see on the action output that our query is successfully executed and we have got the substrings of name column started from second position and length of 2 alphabets. So that's it for today's practical. Let's jump to our quiz section. Let's put your knowledge to the test. So these are the 4 basic questions which I have talked about in this video. So just pause the video and try to think of the answers. I think you have chosen your answers. Let's see if you are right or wrong. So these are the right answers. So that's it for today's video. In the next video, we will cover our next topic.